Brooks makes placing your orders easy and fast. When you log on to brooksequipment.com, there's an easy order bar on the right side of the Brooks homepage where you can enter the product part numbers and quantities that you want to order. Simply click Add to Cart, and you'll be taken to your shopping cart where you can save or retrieve a shopping list, continue shopping, add to, or place your order, all within seconds of logging in. It's that easy. If you have any questions, you can call us or email us today. Thank you for trusting Brooks with your business.